Right, so we're up at Callendar Square on the 25th of August 2025 from the High Street side. We got told that this whole bit here might be coming down. Well, they've got permission to do it anyway. So whether they're actually going to do it, I don't know. This is how this bit's looking. You can see all the means and all that. There's a couple of the machines over there. As you can see, there's now this big that kind of wall that they were building goes right round the whole site. There's a couple of bits like this where you can sort of see what's going on and stuff, but it's going to be quite hard when it gets to the kind of later stage and actually do like that bit. And that's kind of one of the main kind of reasons that I'm not posting the update on Good File is because of because of this kind of fence thing. There's only maybe about 3 or 4, but it's not including the bit right along the other end. And there's the kind of crushing in there. That sorting grab's also just been sitting there for a good while. We've actually realised that it's actually broken. Or it's no. Can't use it. I'll keep paying them along. Alright, kind of roll over and as you can see, you can't see any, like, pretty much nothing. Unless you obviously go up the top of the car park. And you can see there that there is a bit of work going on and stuff, but I'm not sure if it's necessarily stuff that I'll be able to kind of film. But I'll catch you guys on the other side. Looks like we've got a van going in. You can see all the... Oh, you can see that kind of small one is just testing at that short and grab. The big 350s on the move. I don't know where he's going. See through here, this is another one of the weekly gap bits that you can see stuff. But the big fella's just typically stopped working. And you can kind of see there what they've got left to kind of knock down. don't think you'll get a better view anywhere better than this, really. It's just going to be another kind of thing with luck though as well, seeing see if we can get any of that kind of bit coming in. It should take them not too long to do that. I've realised that they're taking the fallen protection guard off the 350. But that's what they're just checking now. Take a wee kind of walk further up. And I think you'll get a better view anywhere else than either up here or. But you might get a decent view up here when they start knocking more down, but don't necessarily know. The thing is you can't even see what that guy is doing because of how much soil and stuff's. You can just kind of see the top of the arm. Do hope though that they try and clear a lot of this kind of sand and stuff so you can actually see what's going on and stuff, but I don't think they probably will. I've got the wee Manitou thing back in that they had right at the very start of the demo. In fact, I've just noticed that there is actually a hole in that building there, so there is maybe a chance that they are probably going to knock that whole back building down there, because that whole bit there is also still part of the shopping centre and the hotel and everything. I don't know what that I don't know what that kind of garage door is. You might be able to see it from the other side, I don't know. But then this whole big kind of white building, which was the one that I said on the other side that they were possibly going to knock in, that's how far it goes, so it basically goes the full length right the way back. But we could potentially have a look at a bigger demolition than I initially thought, which would be really good. But they'll probably knock the rest of that down and then kind of get proper kind of stuck into that kind of big white building. And I say it's not entirely confirmed yet whether they're going to be knocking that down as well. And he's just clearing out a lot of the kind of reinforced concrete that the 350 was kind of breaking up. I think I may walk up this kind of tall bit show you what building I mean. Okay, let's get a big white one here. Right, see if I go across this road, I'll see it is. So this whole kind of front bit, and then kind of right the way back. I could be wrong with them kind of knocking it all this down, but the fact that they've got like the kind of stuff on the windows and stuff, and then you can see how kind of rotten and stuff it is right up the top and stuff. I would not be surprised if they were knocking that down, especially since as well the like round that other side. We'll head back down, but you'll see that there is a big kind of hole in that. There is a big hole in the side of it, or not like necessarily like a hole that they could, or they could technically start there and just kind of go right in the middle of it and then kind of work on it either side of it. And that hole right there. The other thing there, that's the thing for the 350. But either I don't think I'm going to get much stuff unless they really kind of sort out the site and stuff. But yeah, that's it for this update, guys. See you in the next one, where hopefully we're going to get some demo. But yeah, that'll be it.